Converting recurring decimal to fraction. Converting recurring decimal to fraction. How do we convert a recurring decimal to a fraction? So here we have two examples here. The question says convert the following recurring decimals to fractions. So the first one 0.66666 and so on. The second one 0.0909. The digits that are recurring here, they are 909, 909, 909, like that. Now, so for the first one, so we start by saying let x be equal to 0.6666, like that. So we can call this equation 1. Now from here we multiply both sides by 10. When we do that we're going to have 10x is equal to 6.6666, like that. So we call this equation 2. Now if you observe clearly here, immediately after this decimal point we have 6. Immediately after the decimal point here we also have 6. Then we have 4 digits here, 4 decimal places. Immediately after this decimal point we have 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. So it's important that you ensure that we have the same number of decimal places. Alright, now from here now you subtract equation 1 from equation 2, that is equation 2 minus equation 1. So doing that we're going to have 10x minus x, so that is 9x, then 6.6666 minus 0.6666, like that. So we're going to have 6 here. So from here we divide both sides by 9. 9 will cancel 9. 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. So therefore x will be equal to 2 all over 3. So this is the answer. So that means therefore 0.66666 will be equal to what? 2 all over 3. Let's take the second example, number 2. So you say let x is equal to 0.0909, 0, like that. So call this equation 1. Now we multiply both sides by 10. Doing that we're going to have 10x is equal to 0.9090, like that. So we call this equation 2. Now if you observe very well, immediately after this decimal point we have 0. Immediately after this decimal point we have 9. These are different numbers, so we can't use two of them. We can't. Unlike the first one we did here, immediately after this decimal point we have 6. Immediately after this we have 6. We must have the same number immediately after the decimal points for us to subtract one equation from the other one. So we have different numbers there. So here we multiply equation 2 again by 10. So doing that, we have 100x is equal to 9.0909, like that. So we call this equation 3. Now, if you observe clearly the 3 equations we have here, which of the 3 equations, which 2 equations here have the same number immediately after the decimal points? Which 2 equations here have the same number immediately after the decimal points? If you observe very well here, after the decimal point we have 0, after the decimal point we have 9, after the decimal point we have 0. So only equation 1 and equation 3 have the same number immediately after the decimal points. So that means we'll be using equation 3 and equation 1. So this equation 2, we don't need it. We don't need it. So from here now, we subtract equation 1 from equation 3. That is equation 3 minus equation 1. The another thing we have to be we have to check here. Immediately after decimal point we have 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we have 5 decimal places here. Immediately after this 2, we must have the same number of decimal places or place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's important to have uniformity in the number of decimal places there. Now we subtract equation 1 from equation 3. So doing that, 100x minus x. So we have 99x, then 9.09090 minus 0.09090. That will give us 9. So from here we divide both sides by 99 in order to make x the subject. 99 will cancel 99. 9a 1, 9a 11. So therefore x is equal to 1 over 11. So in conclusion, so therefore 0.0909 is equal to 1 all over 11. So this is how we convert recurring decimals to fractions. The other thing we need to watch here, for this recurring fraction, we have 0.09090909 like that. So the 3 digits recurring here, they are 909. So we may not need to put dots on the 0 at the middle here. We just place dots on the first recurring digit and the last recurring digits. In other words, we have 909, 909, 909 like that. So this is how we convert recurring decimals to fractions.